Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we start our lesson, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please click the notification bell to keep updated whenever I upload my latest video. Let's start! So, the lesson for today is Lesson 2, Perform Estimation and Basic Calculation. In this lesson, you are expected to learn how to follow procedures in reporting to appropriate persons, the estimate of materials and resources. Number 2, perform estimates or calculations to be done according to the job requirement. 3, employ different techniques in checking accuracy of result. But before we start, let's have this activity. Let us identify farm resources to be estimated. Write your answer in separate sheet of paper. I'll give you time to answer. Let's have another activity. Give at least 2 procedures on how to clean tools. Now let's do our lessons. A. Estimating farm inputs and labor requirements. Estimate irrigation expenses up to last harvest. Irrigation expense is the product of price of water per volume, the number of volume per day, and the total number of day to be irrigated from planting to the last harvest. This is expressed as number 1, irrigation expenses is equals to price of water over volume times number of volume over day times total number of days. Number 2, estimated worker hired to perform irrigation from planting to last harvest. Estimated worker is equals to water over area times total irrigation of area. Number 3, estimated number of spraying insecticides per worker. Estimated days is equals to number of days over square area times total land area. Number 4, estimated workers needed for spray per worker. Estimated number of day is equals to number of worker over square area times total land area. Number 5, estimated cost of insecticide used for spraying. Estimated cost is equals to price over insecticide times number of insecticide over square area times total land area. Number 6, worker salary during insecticide spraying. Worker salary is equals to salary over day times total number of days. Estimated number of weeding operation. Estimated workers is equals to number of workers over square area times total land area. Number 8, worker salary during weeds. Worker salary is equals to salary over worker times total number of workers. Estimated number of workers employed during harvesting. Worker employees is equals to number of worker over square area times total land harvesting area. So for the computation, letter A, total amount of salary paid in planting area. Total amount of salary is equals to number of days times number of workers times amount of salary. In the numbers, 2 times 5 times 300 is equals to 3,000. Total salary paid in fertilizing the area from planting up to date of the survey. Total amount of salary is equals to number of days times number of worker times amount of salary. In numbers, 2 times 2 times 300 is equals to 1,200. Letter C, total amount of fertilizer consumed from planting up to date of the survey. Total amount of fertilizer is equals to amount of fertilizer per kilo times number of kilos. In numbers, 20 times 200 is equals to 4,000. Letter D, total amount of fertilizer consumed after the survey until final harvest. Total amount of fertilizer is equals to the amount of fertilizer per kilo times number of kilos. In numbers, 20 times 400 is equals to 8,000. Here are the data of the said numbers. Please study. B. Planting crops. The seed and how to select it. Seeds are very important to animals and human beings because almost of the plants, which are the sources of food, comes from seeds. A seed is fertilized and ripened ovule which may develop into a plant by germination. Parts of seeds are a cotyledons or the seed leaves, plumule, future shoot, and radical, future root. Testing the viability of seeds. Not all seeds have the ability to germinate due to the following reasons. Letter A, high moisture, temperature condition. B, long storage. Seeds are kept too long. Immaturity, too immature when harvested. Testing seeds, avoid wasting good seeds. Germination test will save time, energy, money, and planting space. These are the common methods of testing the viability of the seeds. First is the ragdoll method. Second, the seed box method. Third, the petri dish method. And lastly, floating in water method. Computing the percentage of germination. Percentage of germination is equals to number of seeds germinated times 100 over number of seeds sown. After expecting the seed box, you find that only 80 seeds germinated out of 100 seeds that you are sown. The percentage of germination will be percentage of germination is equals to number of seeds germinated times 100 over number of seeds sown. So 80 times 100 over 100 equals to 8,000 over 100. So if you divide it, you'll get the percentage of germination is equals to 80%. This means that only 80% of the total number of seeds germinated. To calculate the exact amount of seeds needed to plant a hectare, use the following formula. New seeding rate is equals to recommended seeding rate over percentage of germination, where A, recommended seeding rate is given based on 80%, and letter B, percentage of germination is calculated using the first formula. Example, the recommended seeding rate of eggplants is 45 kilograms per hectare and the percentage of germination is 80. The new seeding rate will be 45 kilograms over 80% or 80 per hectare. So the new seeding rate will be 0.80 or equal to 56 kilograms per hectare. Now, let's watch a video about testing the viability of the seeds. Done? Now let's have an activity. Compute the percentage of germination. Write your answer in your notebook. Mang Jose sowed 50 seeds. After inspecting the seed box, you find that only 35 seeds germinated out. What is the percentage of germination using the formula below? Percentage of germination is equals to number of seeds germinated times 100 over number of seeds sown. Activity again. Solve the following problems. How many seedlings will you need to plant tomato in your 200 square meter area if the distance of planting is 25 times 100 centimeters? Number 2. What must be the distance of planting if you have 50 seedlings in order to plant your 15 square meter garden? Now lastly, enumerate at least 10 labor requirements for land preparation. So that's all for our lessons. I hope you learned something. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my latest video. And click the notification bell to keep updated in my latest videos. Thank you for watching.